Hello, we're Team Adjective Noun from the University of Washington. I'm Hannah.
I'm Amy.
And I'm Akash.
And we're here to talk about our product, Safety Watch. Human trafficking is a significant issue facing the world, a crime against humanity. An estimated 2 million men, women, and children are transported from their homes and sold into slavery. Victims are hurt not only physically, but emotionally as well. As human trafficking is most commonly found in third world countries, we are trying to create a system in which victims can discreetly alert local police departments and local organizations fighting human trafficking by sending a signal with the location of the activity. We are trying to establish a method to allow victims to be proactive about human trafficking and prevent future exploitation.
Our idea is to create a cost-effective device that houses an alerting mechanism which the user could activate at any time. We would market this device to victims in areas where human trafficking is growing by the day. These areas are impoverished, so our device would be cost-effective and readily available to those who are in need. The device will pair with a web app that alerts the local police station or organization to the location of the potential victim and the directions to get there.
We believe this device will give human trafficking prevention organizations a chance to attack the problem itself by directly helping victims. There are many organizations that raise awareness of human trafficking and nonprofits created to support victims through rehabilitation, providing rights and resources to victims. However, there's not much work done in prevention, mainly due to the difficulty surrounding preventative methods. Our technology succeeds as it is projected towards individuals in poverty, especially women, used as a preventative measure.
Here we have a small demo of our application that would be the user interface for the user looking out for these potential alerts, and we will click to run it. And this application is paired with our prototype version, which uses the Arduino. And the user, with the potential victim, would just simply turn a potentiometer, and it would send a signal through the Bluetooth module to the user who's watching it, and you'll see it momentarily. So as you saw, the progress bar filled up and a small text alerted the user saying that there's a potential victim, and our future steps would be to include GPS coordinates to alert where the user is so help can be sent faster. We use both hardware and software in our solution. Some of the hardware we used was the Arduino, potentiometer, and the Bluetooth module. The software we used was Microsoft Visual Studio and the Arduino IDE. While trying to think of a solution, we ran into a few problems. One of the problems was incorporating the C# code and the Arduino code into one system. We used Microsoft Visual Studio and a plugin called Visual Micro, and this allowed us to run Arduino code with C# code and deploy them to one machine. Another issue was using the Bluetooth module. We picked a Bluetooth module that was fairly cheap, so it could keep the cost of our overall device also cheap. Downsides of this was that there was poor documentation, and we couldn't really figure out how to connect the Bluetooth with the Windows application. Some solutions that we found out were to read some various forums online and speak to mentors at Microsoft who helped us connect both the Bluetooth and the Windows application together.
Our future vision is to incorporate Microsoft Band and allow our app to be compatible with the band. When upgrades of the band are launched, we could upcycle the stock of older models and use the built-in GPS functionality to integrate our idea with the device. A simple tap on the band or a click of the button on the side could be used to trigger the alert signal. The bands could also be used and distributed in impoverished areas where human trafficking is known to be prevalent. Upcycling will not only raise awareness of Microsoft Band in third world countries, but upcycling is also an environmentally friendly use of resources to build our product.
Thank you again for this wonderful opportunity to showcase our invention. Though we faced many problems, our learning process was truly invaluable.